In this video, I want to talk about how to start your own business with zero money. And there are a lot of people who want to start their own business, but they are stuck. Like they think the business needs money to start, but this is not the truth. Nowadays, you don't need too much money to start your business, and you do not need fancy cameras, you do not need fancy setups. You just need to start your business. First of all, you have to decide what you want to be and what will be your business. Deciding this, I suggest you, if you love something, you have to do business in that thing. Like if you love doing coding, you start your own business with coding. You need zero investment. Just you need social accounts. Make your social accounts on all platforms, whether it's social media or whether it's blog. Like if you are on social media, you have to be in all social platforms. If you are in TikTok, you have to be in YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all the major platforms. And if you are in business that have some attraction with other platforms like Substacks, email, so you have to be there, and they are totally free. Instagram is not going to charge you. Okay, TikTok is not going to charge you for making content. You have to make content. If you sell cakes or if you sell mobile covers, then what you do, you just have to take the pics of mobile covers you have. And if you do not have mobile covers, then you don't need to worry about that. You have to contact to someone in the shop that already doing this business, and you have to ask him or her that if he give you commission on selling his products. Like you don't need your own products, you just need someone else's product, and if you sell them, then you will get this amount of commission on each product selling. So this is how you can start your own business. You do not need too much money. You just need social platforms. You learn a skill. If you know how to build websites, how to do Instagram posting, designing, all the stuff, then you can sell these services. If you know how to make digital products, whether it's PDF, whether it's simple PPTs, if you think there is a big saturation or there is huge saturation in that, then this is just your thinking. Nowadays, like if you talk to me, like I want someone to do presentation, to make presentation for me, I want someone to do Instagram post for me. So this is what everyone needs in business world. Everyone is seeking for the right person, or the person that will be good to help them. Okay, so you don't have to think about there is huge saturation, all the people are doing. If all the people are doing this thing, then you have to think that the demand is at that level. If you think social media manager nowadays are doing very well, like everyone needs social media manager, whether it's school, whether it's university, or every small business or every small shop, you need a social media handler or social media manager. So this is how you can jump into the business without even spending zero money, without having too much money. So this is for this video, and if you want to learn more about digital marketing, then you have to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, comment below. I will be make a complete video on your question.